Let us do question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. A cubical block is there and it is surmounted by a hemisphere. Okay. I have drawn just a circle to represent a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere that it can have? Now, how much can be the diameter of this hemisphere which you can place above this cube? How much the diameter it can have? You have to find the largest diameter that this hemisphere can have. If you see here, this largest diameter that hemisphere can have will be same as the rod as is the length of this square. Here it is a square formed, and if you see here, the largest diameter that a circle can have here, that will be same as the broad as is the breadth of this square. If you see here, how much is this distance? How much is the gap from this end to this end? As it is square shape, so all these distances will be same. If I draw here or here, all these gaps will be same, and these all gaps will be same as the side of this square. And you know that it is a cube, as it is a cube and it has a side 7 centimeter. So all its sides will be 7 centimeter. Above side here, this is also of 7 centimeter. So in the middle also you will find that it is of 7 centimeter. So the circle that you are drawing on this cube, on the upper side of this cube, that circle will be having the largest diameter as 7 centimeter. So they are given that a hemisphere is placed over it. So I have completed this figure with hemisphere drawn. As this hemisphere is placed on this cubical block, so you can imagine of one toy that is in the shape of a cube from the bottom, and it is in the shape of a hemisphere from the other end. A hemispherical thing is placed on that cube. Next they are asking is find the surface area of such a solid. If you have such a solid with a base, with cube and it is surmounted by a hemisphere, you have to find how much is the surface area of this solid form. If you see here, as it is a cube shape, and you can see that a cube can have 6 faces. One is its front face, and second is the opposite face, that is at the back. One is the front face and second is the face that is at the back. Now two side faces are also there. One is on this side and another is on this side. So 4 faces are there and one face is there on the bottom here. So you have 5 faces here in this solid. Next is you have one top face. But what is the problem here? You have one top face but that is covered with a hemisphere. As a hemisphere is placed here. So what you can see that a hemisphere is covering the area of this square. As it is covering the area, it is not able to cover the corners because it is round in shape. It is in with sides with straight lines. This square is having straight lines, but this hemisphere is being circular in shape. It is unable to cover the corners. So we are left with some corners which are here. One is this corner, second corner, third corner, and here is the fourth corner. So 4 corners are left there when you are keeping one hemisphere on a solid cube. So we have to find that how much surface area is covered here. So we will be taking 5 faces, 2 front face and back face, 2 side faces are there, 4 faces are there, and one is the face there at the base, and one face which is there on the top that is covered with a hemisphere. So I will be taking this hemispherical face and I will be taking these corners. As if I am asked to paint such a solid, I will be covering 5 faces there, 4 at the side, 1 at the base, and when I will be covering this top face, I will be painting one hemisphere. I will cover whole hemisphere when I will paint. I will paint like this. So hemisphere will be covered and what will be left? These corners will be left and then I will color these corners also. So what I will be taking these 5 faces of this cube. So what is here? I will be writing surface area of a solid which is given to you, it will cover 5 these faces which are in square shape. As it is cube, so it will be having all the faces with equal length. So it will be having 5 squares. So I will be writing 5 times the area of one square. Area of one square is a square, and I will be taking 5 squares because it is covering 5 faces and all are having same length, same sides being a cube. So I will be taking 5 a square plus I will be taking this hemispherical area. So what I will be doing, I will be writing the surface area of this hemisphere, and I know what is the surface area of a sphere. It is 4 pi r square. When I will be writing the half of it, I will take 2 pi r square for hemisphere. So I will also add 2 pi r square. Next is the portion that is left over here to be colored. As if you can see here, it is neither in the triangular shape nor it is in the circle shape. It is curved from this end and these two sides are straight. Here also two sides are straight and it is curved from here. Here also two sides are same. It is curved from here and here also. So how will I will be able to find these ends, these corners? I don't know any formula for these corners which are in such a shape like this. So what I will be doing, I will be taking this circle and I will square, and I will subtract this circle from here. When I will subtract one circle from this outer square, what I will be left with? I will be left with such area which is in this shape. Here also I will be able to get these areas. So what I will be doing for this question also, I will take this square area, then I will subtract this circle area from this, and when I will subtract the circle area from the square area, I will be left with these areas which I require, such areas. So what I will be writing, I will be taking one area of square which is a square, as all sides are equal for the cube, and I will be subtracting the area of circle. Full circle is lying here, you can see. So I will be subtracting pi r square. Now this is the result that I am going to solve for this solid. One is the 5 faces with areas. 5 faces are bottom face and 4 side faces. Then 2 pi r square. Why I have written this 2 pi r square? For this solid which is lying here on the top of this cube. As this solid is in the shape of hemisphere, and I know for sphere I have 4 pi r square surface area, and for hemisphere I will be taking 2 pi r square. Next I will be covering these corners. For that I will be taking the area of square, and then I will be subtracting this circle to get these corners which are left. So I have written a square for this outer square, and then I am subtracting this circle from here, that is pi r square. Now one major thing that is also important here, A represents here is the side of this square. A is the side. Now what will be R here? What will be the radius for this circle? As you have got the diameter for this circle is 7, so radius will be 7 by 2. So I will be using this 7 by 2 in my question, and I will be using A as 7, side of square as 7 centimeter here. So if I see here, it is 5a square and here it is 1a square, and when I will combine it will become 6a square. Here it is 2 pi r square and minus pi r square. When I will combine these, it will be pi r square. 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So I will replace A as 7, pi, and what I will be writing for r, that is 7 by 2. It will be 649 plus pi is 22 by 7, 49 by 4. I can cancel it out. It will be 294 plus 38.5, which will be 332.5 centimeter square, as we are finding area. So you will be writing unit as centimeter square. So you can take the help of one cube also for this. As I have taken this cube, you can see it has 6 faces, 1, 2, these are 4 faces on the side, and one is there on the top and one is there on the bottom. So a solid cube contains 6 faces, as here I have drawn 6 faces. And when I will be keeping something here on the above, on its above face, what it will be covering? It will cover one circle. So I will be left with these corners as I have drawn here. These corners I can't cover because it is in circular shape. I am not able to cover these corners. So if I'm asked that color this solid, you will be coloring this face, this face, this face, and this way. You will be covering 4 faces and you will cover this face. But when a solid is placed here, which is in hemispherical shape, you will be coloring that hemisphere and you will be covering these 4 corners. You will not be able to color this inner part because a hemisphere is lying here. You can think of half lemon is lying here on the top. So if half lemon is lying here, these 4 corners will be left. When these 4 corners will be left, so you will be taking the surface area of this full square and you will subtract this inner circle and you will be left with these 4 corners. What I have done here, for this 4 corners I have written A square. For this is A square representing the area of square and pi r square is representing this area of the circle. So this formula that I have kept in bracket is representing this 4 corners that I have colored here. So you can solve like this.